Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to put your Jeep Grand Cherokee in neutral, specifically when the electronic shifter is not functional. This is the only way to shift into neutral if your vehicle has a dead battery or if you do not have a key. Knowing this manual override is incredibly important for emergency situations, allowing you to move your vehicle for towing or necessary service without causing damage. To begin, you will need to locate a small access panel. This is typically found near the gear shifter or within the center console area. Using a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim tool, carefully pry off this cover. It is designed to be removed, so apply gentle pressure to avoid any damage. Once the cover is off, you will see the manual park release mechanism hidden beneath. Once the cover is removed, you will find a specific lever, tab, or sometimes an orange pull strap. This is the manual release for the park lock. Firmly push or pull this mechanism. You should hear a distinct click as the transmission disengages from park and shifts into neutral. At this point, your Jeep Grand Cherokee can be freely rolled or pushed, which is essential for moving it in an emergency. After you have moved your vehicle, you will need to return it to park. To do this, simply reverse the action you took to engage the manual neutral. Ensure your vehicle is on level ground and the parking brake is firmly applied for safety. Once the transmission is back in park, you can securely reinstall the access panel. Always double-check that your vehicle is properly in park before leaving it unattended.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.